Hey guys, it's Sandeep from RevAtlas and welcome to episode number 3 in our RevNews series, and today we're going to be talking about the Realme XT and more specifically its launch in India. So before we get started, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also like this video at the end if you do happen to enjoy it. So now let's get started. So a few weeks back, the Redmi Note 8 Pro was launched in China. It's not yet available in India or globally, but that was officially the first smartphone to come with a 64 megapixel camera. Now, it was known that both these brands, Realme and Xiaomi, were working on their 64 megapixel smartphone simultaneously, and Realme in fact did showcase their smartphone through YouTubers, bloggers and other journalists by giving a quick look at their upcoming XT smartphone, which featured the 64 megapixel sensor. But officially still the smartphone is on sale in China, the Redmi Note 8 Pro, and that makes it the first one in China at least to be equipped with the 64 megapixel camera. But Realme kind of want to step up the game and be the first to launch in India, as they posted a teaser yesterday stating that India will be getting its first 64 megapixel quad camera smartphone courtesy of Realme. And it also had the hashtags Realme XT and 64 megapixel quad camera expert. So now today they have also revealed the launch date. So the timeline was supposed to be within 8 weeks. The reason I mentioned 8 weeks is because Manukumar Jain of Xiaomi India actually stated that it'll take roughly 8 weeks for the Note 8 and Note 8 Pro to launch in India. So considering that this announcement took place in China at the end of August 29 to be precise, the earliest we could expect in India is probably end of October. And also considering the fact that there's some certifications and testing and all these other aspects that go into the launch of a smartphone prior to its launch itself, as in terms of launch preparation, I think that could be why it's taking some time. But Realme have decided to step up, and they have announced that they will be launching their smartphone, the Realme XT, which they're also calling as Project Hawkeye, on 13th of September. So it's an interesting tweet. They have actually mentioned a couple of other parameters, including precise close focus, crisp shots, brilliant night view, and ultra wide view. So I think this is sort of a clue that they're giving for people to kind of figure out what sort of a camera system it has. So I'm guessing the precise close focus is macro, crisp shots would be the 64 megapixel camera. Night view would be maybe a night sensor or maybe just a night mode, and the ultra wide angle view, the ultra wide angle camera. So there you go. 13 September will be the launch of the Realme XT in India. It will be launching in India for the first time, and will be the first time we'll see the XT launching anywhere, in fact, and it'll be the first 64 megapixel quad camera phone to be launched in India. So the performance remains to be seen, but definitely I think there will be more amount of detail and sharpness in the photos for sure. But it'll be interesting to see just how it stacks against the previous generation 48 megapixel sensors, as well as the current newer generation 48 megapixel sensors that Samsung has rolled out. So the sensor also is not revealed yet on the XT, but it should be good, I guess. But let's just wait and see. That's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Realme XT and the Redmi Note 8 Pro, which one you prefer and why, and also your thoughts on the whole 64 megapixel camera system itself. That's it for this video, guys. Please do subscribe if you liked it. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one.